Hello YouTube, this is Tokyo Butter 23 Sneaker Channel, Tokyo Butter 23 Sneaker Channel, Mainichi Upstream of the Mainichi Mite Kudasai, and every single day I drop you content, and today I'm bringing you a second content to say Happy Father's Day to all those fathers out there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox my Father's Day present. Now I had not planned this, that's why the backdrop looks a bit strange, that's why the angles are all a bit funny. I'm shooting this on the wrong way for the camera, so anyway, it's just not well planned out, but Mrs. Butter came home with a present for me for Father's Day, oh, you can hear my little girl next door kicking off a little bit. Maybe she wants to be in the video. And she said you should make a video of this, of you unboxing this present. Now I'm full of trepidation, and I'll tell you why. Let me just bend down and pick this up for you here. This is why I'm full of trepidation, okay? This is a rather nice Supreme rucksack, as you can see. Now, I don't know how much this is worth at all, but I gather it's worth a fair bit of money. But I've never used it because it's just not, it's not really my thing, you know? I would use this as a rucksack, not as a fashion item, and it would get ruined very quickly, and I'd use it on my commute to work across Tokyo and the trains and things like that. And apparently that's not what you should do with a Supreme rucksack, apparently. And you can see, even though I've stored it really badly, and it's all sort of messed up at the bottom there, so I should do a better job of that. But this was my birthday present from my wife, which is very nice, and I appreciate it very much, and I'm very grateful to get nice things as presents, but it's just not my kind of thing, you know. So that's why I'm a bit trepidatious. It's quite heavy. I don't know at all what it is. Actually, I can feel there's two things in here squidgling about in there. So this is an unboxing of my Father's Day present. My daughter is just 1 and a bit years old. So this is my second Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all those fathers out there. I hope you guys have a wonderful time with your families and stuff. And inside here I can feel there's two things, and I'm not at all sure what they are. So let's go ahead and have a look and see what Mrs. Butter has bought me for my Father's Day, my second Father's Day, since my beautiful daughter was born in 2017, late 2017. So, okay, I've got the bit off the top done. Okay, it feels heavy. There's two sort of rectangular things in here. If I had to guess, I don't know. I have no idea. But is it going to be any use to me, or is it going to be what they call a white elephant? White elephant's a useless gift. So I'm hoping that I'll pull this out of the bag here and it'll be something that I want. But I've no idea. I really have no idea. No, I didn't plan this video. I don't know what's in the bag, but I'm going to close my eyes and do this. You guys can see before I can see. This is what I got for Father's Day, and I don't want to look. Okay, I'm going to open my eyes and look. Hi. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Wow, an iPad Pro and a smart keyboard folio. There you go, have a look at that. It says iPad Pro 11-inch smart keyboard folio and iPad Pro. I was not expecting that. Wow. I should probably do a proper unboxing of these boys. 64 gigabytes, iPad Pro, 11-inch Wi-Fi, it says on the back there. Wow, I was not expecting that. That is a very nice gift. Ooh, happy Father's Day. Wow, I really wasn't expecting. What a beautiful gift. But I don't know what to do with it. Because if I just reach right down here and lift up, look, there's some notifications. There's my iPad. I already have an iPad, so I'm not sure what to do with it. It's a nice gift, though, right? You know, it's a few inches bigger than the one I have right now. So, and it does say iPad Pro on it. So maybe you guys out there know better than me that iPad Pro has some advanced functions that I don't know about that I should be more grateful for. That's terrible. She better not watch this. My wife is actually Japanese and she doesn't speak English, so that's why my Nihongo ga konna ni jouzu ni narimashita node. So hopefully she'll never watch this video and be insulted by me chuckling at her gift. But yes, it's a beautiful gift, right? It's a beautiful gift. I should be grateful. I'm a bad husband. Please let me know in the comments down below how bad a husband I am and how much I should be doing it better. But it is a very beautiful gift, iPad Pro and the iPad Pro 11-inch Smart Keyboard Folio, it says there you go. So iPad Pro. So in a minute I could just pop these, I could pop them in my rucksack. Would this make a good screenshot? I don't think so. But a happy Father's Day anyway. I mean, it's nice to receive gifts. It's nice to be thought about and to be cared about and to be appreciated. And these aren't cheap, of course, as well. So, of course, I should be grateful for that. I'm not at all a rich man. We're not a rich family. That's why I'm doing YouTube, actually, is to try and get a little bit extra coin. So do hit that subscribe button down below. But for now, I think I'll say thank you to my wife for giving me a beautiful gift, a thoughtful gift. I'm sure it's going to be useful in terms of the channel as well. That will help me to create better content for the channel. So for now, this is Tokyo Butter 23 saying happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. I hope you guys are as appreciated as I am, and I hope you guys have a lot of good stuff going on. Take good care, and I will see you guys tomorrow.